Welcome back to the channel. Old Coin Vol Coin is this 2001 Netherlands 5 euro cent sitting in your pocket change actually a 6 euros hidden treasure? Or is it really just worth 5 cents? Welcome back to the Old Coin Vault, where we separate numismatic fact from fiction. Today we're diving deep into one of the most common, yet often misunderstood, modern European coins. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for to find its true value. Purpose: use a strong hook to address the viewer's curiosity directly. Set the expectation of learning a skill, valuing, and promise a clear answer. Content focus: explain the coin's context. Introduction: the coin is part of the first series of euro coins introduced in 1999, with this specific year, 2001. Key specifications: highlight its composition, copper-plated steel, weight 3.92 g, and diameter 21.25 millimeters. Design analysis: on-screen graphics. Obverse: national side, the stylized portrait of Queen Beatrix by Bruno Nienaber van Eyben, surrounded by stars. Reverse: common side, the globe design by Luc Luycx, showing Europe in relation to the world, with the denomination 5 euro cent. Script snippet: before we talk cash, let's appreciate the art. This coin is a snapshot of a historic moment, the Netherlands adopting the euro. The design is minimalist and modern, a deliberate choice for a new currency. Content focus: this is the core educational segment. Explain that value is driven by condition and rarity, not just year. The reality check: clearly state that a standard circulated 2001 5 euro cent is extremely common, with a mintage of 206.4 million coins. In circulated condition, its value is essentially its face value, 5 cents, plus a small premium for collectors. Proof condition: introduce the concept of proof coins, special, mirror-finish coins struck for collectors. The 2001 proof had a mintage of only 16,500. Condition is everything. Visually demonstrate the difference between a heavily worn, circulated coin, like one that might sell for a few dollars, and a pristine, uncirculated, or proof coin. Explain that a high grade, like MS65 or proof, is necessary for significant value. Where to check: direct viewers to professional price guides like Numismatics, which provides the NGC data, or recent sold listings on eBay to see real-world prices, not just asking prices. Script snippet: here's the key takeaway. Mintage isn't destiny. That 206 million number means most of these coins are worth small change. The real value lies in exceptional condition. A worn coin might sell for a couple of dollars, but a flawless, uncirculated specimen is a different story. Content focus: give actionable advice. Your coin's checklist. 1. Check condition. Is it flawless, with full mint luster and no scratches? 2. Identify varieties. Look for any errors or unusual strikes. This is rare for this issue. 3. Verify authenticity. Ensure it's a genuine circulation or proof issue. Realistic valuation. Advise viewers to search for Netherlands 5 euro cent KM number 236 2001 proof or graded 2001 5 euro cent on eBay and filter for sold listings to see actual prices. Conclusion on the $6 question asterisk. So is it worth $6? For a regular circulated coin, no. But for a pristine, uncirculated, or proof example that has been professionally preserved, yes, it can reach and even exceed that value in the right market. The vault isn't in the date, it's in the condition. If you enjoyed this deep dive in a modern coin value, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next treasure hunt. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have a 2001 5 euro cent? Describe its condition in the comments below. Let's see what's out there. Until next time, keep checking your change. Visual: end screen with links to other relevant videos, a subscribe button,